Welcome to the Coffin Bay Oyster Farm Tour.
Of his voyage back in 1802, he
Join us for an incredible oyster farm experience at Coffin Bay, where for just $50 per person, you'll not only get a guided tour of the oyster farm, but also a chance to savor the finest oyster. You can also enhance your experience by requesting a refreshing beer, a glass of fine wine, or even a bottle of champagne. And for the adventurous souls, don't miss special bloody oyster shots. As part of this fantastic experience, you'll also receive a hand-on lesson on how to shot oyster like a pro.
Let's talk about all the good things and the bad things that may be. Let's talk about. That's why we dim the lights. Just an oyster sex. Okay, don't go too far.
yeah, that's
on that.
Yum. Cut that round. Mom's gonna add it. Flip it around.
That's good.
You don't like oysters?
No.
I
You just need to try and
absolutely.
yeah. Oh, you add some lemon?
Yes,
Yeah.
I will. I never used to like
Okay.
oysters.
Good for you. Thank you.
Book your spot today and treat yourself to an unforgettable day at the Coffin Bay Oyster Farm. It's an experience you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting adventure like this. Bye for now.
Got it?